Yes, good morning, friends. Today is the day, a beautiful day, where I am watering the blocks where I have sown some of the seeds. Okay, in this video, you are seeing that I am watering a carrot block that I have put some of the carrot seeds. The second block is a radish. This is a very calming work that I like to do every morning. A beautiful day starts with a watering. The next, I have put some of the seeds. Okay, now we are sowing the ridge guard. Okay, this is a type of a climber, so that this fence will be helpful for the growing of this seed. Okay, this is of 10 feet, so that we will be putting a seed for every 1 feet. Okay, so that 10 seeds will be fit in this. Even in this video you can see that we have put the seeds of a cucumber. Okay, it is also one of the climber, so that the branches or it can climb to the fence. It will be a good support by thinking that we have put seeds near to that.